Hi, creator. Welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel, the channel that brings you the creativity of the world graphic.
If you are new here, kindly click on the subscription button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be the first person to always get updates from this channel. Thank.
In today's video, we are going to be learning how to design this.
Good day, guys. Welcome to the Yuga YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today's tutorial, we are going to be doing a movie design poster. So without wasting much of our time, let's get on the business of today. So the first thing I have to do right now is to change the size to 824 1280. So this is what I want to use. So 84120. So you click OK. So good. So what is the next I'm going to do now? The next I'm going to do is click on the plus button. Then I'm going to where my background is. So I think the background is from here. So I'm not doing much on the work here. So what is the next I'm going to be doing? The next I'm going to be doing right now is to go to my relative size. I'm going to increase the height and the width. So can you see it? Actually okay like this, so let's move it like this. So everything is okay. So the next I'm going to do is to lock it. After locking it, the next I'm going to do is to click on my plus button, click on gallery again. So I'm going to click to bring out the image that I use. So this is going to be fast. I'm going to be locking the material, so I'm going to be putting the password inside the video. So don't forget to watch the video carefully because the material is going to be inside the video. So the password for the material. Good. So what is the next I'm going to be doing now? So the next I'm going to be doing right now, to click on my plus button, click on gallery again. Then I'm going to click on something, my shadow. So I think I put it here. So what is the next I'm going to be doing now? So the next I'm going to be doing is to increase it very well. Then place it down here. Good. So you go to your color, you change to black, pure black. It is not in pure black already, so this is a pure black. So I think we are actually good to go. So what is the next I'm going to do now? The next I'm going to do is to lock everything. So after locking it, click on your plus button again. Then I'm going to my gallery, to my download. Then I'm going to bring out the stuff that I use. I guess I use this stuff. So what is the next I'm going to do right now? So the next I'm going to do is to use it. I'm going to place it like this. So the next I'm going to do now is to go to gallery again, then pick from this again. Then I'm going to bring in the bed. So what is the bed? So get this is the bed. So the next I'm going to do is to crop it a little bit. Crop it. Good. After cropping it, I'm going to put it here. So can you see we're actually moving forward? Good. So what is the next I'm going to do? So the next I'm going to do right now, so click on my plus button again. Then I'm going to put on light. I'm going to click on light. Good. So this is what I'm going to click on. So after that, just place it here. So when you place it there, click on the layer, then drag it to the back of the image. So can you see that we're actually going forward? So the next thing we're going to do right now is to click on text button. Then I'm going to click on D. Just write your D. Good. You do this. Then after that, you go to your texture. Go to your texture. Download your texture is not download. Then I'm going to click on this. So for that, I want to use ash color something. So I'm going to put it here. Good. So can you see actually? Good. So can you see it? So after that, we are going to change the font to something Cyberfall. So we got to use Cyberfall for the font. Good. So after that, you go to your creative, then move it to the down side. Good. So you can actually use your position key now to so you can actually place it at the middle. So what is the next I'm going to be doing right now? So the next I'm going to be doing is to copy I want to give it the title, the return of the ish guy. So we are going to start from the return of the ish guy. Good. So you give something like this, then reduce it a little bit. So after that, you go to your relative position. This is at the middle. Good. So they're actually good to go. So what the next I'm going to be doing right now? Position it very well. Good. So the next I'm going to do is to click on my plus button, click on shape. So after you click on shape, just carry it. Just start from here. So you're actually able to go. So you're not actually able to go. I'm still going to do something a bit. So please look at this. So I'm going to position it very well now. So still need to go up a little bit. So the next I'm going to be doing is to click on it. I'm going to my texture, then choose the same image we used here, but this way I'm not going to crop it, just okay like this. So can you see it? Good. So the next I'm going to be doing now is to copy it, duplicate this, then use your position key to move it up right now. So that we actually moving forward. So I think it is already aligned now. Good. So what is the next we're going to be doing right now? So the next thing we're going to be doing right now is to write loyalty is under fire. The return of the ish guy. Loyalty is under fire. Loyalty is under fire. Is under fire. So give it capital letter. So after that, next I'm going to be doing is to go to my font. Then I'm going to change the font to another font. So I think I use Akagi, Akagi Pro. So that's what I use. I think that's what I use there. So I want to check something here. Good. So for the next I'm going to do is to reduce it. I'm going to place it here. Loyalty is under fire. Change to the middle. So after that, next I'm going to be doing is to go to your opacity. Reduce the opacity a little bit. The opacity of the loyalty is under fire. So it's looking like this. So after that, next I'm going to be doing to put them up, put everything up. Take it up a little bit. From here to from the. So I'm going to take it up a little bit. I'm going to run that in under. Good. So what is the next I'm going to be doing? The next I'm going to be doing is to click on my text. Then I'm going to cancel this. So I'm going to be giving it this stuff. Actually this one. Good. No, actually this one. Good. So it's actually okay like this. So next I'm going to be doing right now is to make sure something like this. So remain abandoned. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remain 4 to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's check it now. I want it to be aligned together like the same thing. Good. So it's actually okay like this. So the next time we do is to give it color. So you can actually give it this color. This actually this one. So okay, so they are actually moving forward. Good. So what is the next I'm going to be doing right now? Just place at the middle. Make sure it's at the middle. So it will able to be pumping. So the next I'm going to do is to click on my text. Then I'm going to click on copyright. So let's actually do something. Copy. Copyright. So this stuff will show. They can actually delete the copyright. After that, they put it 2022. Good. So after that, you come down here. Then you decrease the size. Decrease the size. So after that, you give it this. Do that video again. Then push it to cut to back a little bit. So after that, the next font you're going to give it is urw something. I think urw-form board. urw-form board. So that is what you're going to give the copyright. So I think we are actually done with this design. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video and please don't forget to share. So the material for this design is at the description and I'm going to be putting password. So thank you for watching up till now. Thank you.
Hey creator, thanks for watching up till now. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.